it's Amanda Bartholomew, and I'm making this video for you really quick to share what is inside the Life Expressions Decor Kit. Before I get started, I want you to know that I'm still with my primary business. I got out of the shower, polished myself from head to toe, felt fabulous. I'm loving my shampoo, conditioner, my amazing space, lip file. Totally awesome, but I also need to be able to add in some crafty fun. My friend Megan had been posting like once a month these really fun crafty things that she had been doing, and my daughter and I, she's 5 now, and we really enjoy doing crafty things together, so it was really piqued my interest. I especially love having all the things I need so I can craft whenever I want to and not having to like make those hard choices and then not be able to have something later. So that is why I went ahead and got the Life Expressions Decor Kit. So let me show you what's inside. First, totally awesome, what I was saying about having to make those hard decisions is you get 28 milk paints and 7 chalk paints. That is what is inside of this kit. Isn't that awesome? So each of them come inside their own pot. We call it a little pot because of the size, right, in comparison to like if you saw a big bottle at the store, but a little bit goes a pretty long way. And it's enough to do your projects that, that you want to do right away. And you just open this up here, and there you go. And so if you end up buying like larger ones, you can fill it with those, but these are perfect. And it was a perfect size for Amelia and I on our first craft. So let me show you what we did for our very first one. This is the first board that I made. Happiness is homemade. Love it. She picked You Make My Heart Happy, and we're going to do another one soon. So we basically got the kit and got crafting. Another thing I really love that comes inside of the Life Expressions Decor Kit is this. Like I said, I pretty much got this kit because I'm a supreme hobbyist, and not that like I get to do fun hobby looking things every day, but that I really enjoy doing it, and I pretty much go all in, which is why I got the kit. So anyway, what was awesome is that with this color ring, I was able to match to in my kitchen this yellow color right here. Marigold maybe is it called. That's the color I used, and I matched it in my kitchen. So sometimes you look at paint in a bottle or you look at paint in a catalog and you're like, oh, well, I just need yellow, right? Well, like, there's 3 different colors of yellow right here. So being able to, like, have this to be able to match to what I want, or if my neighbor is like, oh, yeah, I want to do that Halloween project with you, match it to this in my kitchen, I'll be like, all right, let me bring this over, and we'll figure out exactly which color we're going to be matching the paint to. And we're not just matching paint, we're also matching vinyl. So you want to be able to tell exactly what's going to look good with what color, because when you're ordering from the catalog, you have this right in front of you. It's going to make it way easier. And you get this in the Life Expressions Decor Kit, so you can also help like friends, neighbors, family, or if you're trying to piece together gifts, you can match that really easily. I mentioned catalog because you get 2 catalogs inside of your Life Expressions Decor Kit. These are like hefty-duty catalogs. If you choose to work the business, there are ways that you can get more for free, but that's why I wrote my name and then master copy, because these are mine. In the back of the catalog, it actually has those paints and the colors and the vinyl, and so you can like look for the number to match it. Pretty brilliant, right? So that is how that works with the catalogs, and I'll be back to that in a second. But a little bit more about what's inside your kit. So you're going to get 10 boards. When you get your board, it actually looks like this. It's literally a blank canvas, and you get to do the rest, which was awesome. So you get 10 of these, and then you get, oh, excuse me, you get 15 of these to choose from. So we've done Happiness is Homemade, You Make My Heart Smile, and my daughter and I are getting ready to do Why Walk When You Can Dance. Isn't that perfect saying? I love it. So of those 15 vinyls that you get, I just decided to pick out the ones that we absolutely loved, and then there's some that we're not going to use personally, like we're not big hunters. So like we don't hunt. We're cool with hunting, but we don't hunt. So I'm going to use those as gifts and put them out at my friend's make and take party. So people who didn't get a chance to order, or people that show up because you're like, yeah, bring friends, they can choose to do one. Or like if they don't sell, I can just make it as a gift. I can sell it on a local page, whatever. It'll be fun to just be able to paint and create something that I can then share with somebody else. So again, you're going to get 10 boards, and you're going to get 15 vinyl sheets, and you can get crafting. You also are going to get the paintbrushes that you need to paint. You're going to get 10 brushes, and you're going to want to cut around that vinyl, so you get scissors to do that with. You also get a roll of painter's tape. Totally comes in handy to hold that vinyl down. And you get these little spatula thingamajiggers. They can help you. I use the side to help me figure out exactly where stuff was going to go, and also to like push down the vinyl. It makes it easier, and I'll show you in a video later how to do it because I had to figure it out by myself because I'd never been to a Life Expressions Decor party. Like I said, I just saw you get all of this really cool stuff, and I like hobby stuff, so there you go. I also, you get 10 of these. So you get 10 because you get 10 boards. So it goes with that. You can order more of these or any of these things later. A lot of this you can pick up at like Home Depot. And it says, happiness is homemade. So I painted it. Then I did my vinyl. And dun, da, 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 I just used the small hammer to tack this in so it was ready to hang up on the wall. Again, I love the fact that like basically when I ordered this box, because it came with all the things, including, remember, all of that paint, I had 10 projects ready to make. So my daughter and I can just make like 10 projects straight out of the box because I had all the paint and everything like that. So, oh, and then in the month of August, they're giving a cup, and you can like order these to put different things on too. But this one, they're sending it with a name and then also your logo to put it on the back. And it can be keep hot things hot, cold things cold. What's really funny about these is you don't know. Like, is it coffee? Is it wine? Is it bourbon? Is it water? Who really knows? You just have to teach your kids not to drink out of it unless they ask you to, right? So again, my name is Amanda Bartholomew. You can hit me up with any messages if you've got any questions. I'll do my best to answer them for you or put you in somewhere where we can find the answer. And if you would like to join me in this Life Expressions hobby adventure, then we can chat about that too. And I guess that's it for now, so I can tell you more later about fun things you can do with the business. But right now, this was just about all the things that you've got inside the kit. So remember, you get 10 boards, you get 15 vinyls, you get this vinyl of colors, you get all of the paint tip samples, and you get all this paint. So you get all those other things I showed you, but these are like the really awesome things that drew me to it as a supreme hobbyist that I am. So I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy this video, and bye!